Okay, so this is our phospholipid bilayer. This is the top half of the bilayer, and this is the bottom half of the bilayer. The blue pom-poms represent the hydrophilic phospholipid heads, and the white pipe cleaners represent the hydrophobic phospholipid tails.
So the function of the phospholipid bilayer is to form a stable boundary between the cell and its external environment, protecting the cell's internal components, and it acts as a selective barrier, allowing nonpolar molecules through easily while impeding ions and polar molecules. So next is the cholesterol, which is this yellow molecule right here.
So the cholesterol plays a crucial role in maintaining the fluidity and stability of animal cell membranes. It acts as a fluidity buffer, adjusting membrane fluidity based on temperature changes. Okay, so next up is integral proteins. So this is a type of integral protein. This is also a type of integral protein, this blue part, and then this part with the pom-poms is also another one.
So the function of integral proteins is to act as a mosaic of diverse functions, such as transport, enzyme activity, signal transduction, cell-to-cell recognition, intercellular joining, and attachment to the cytoskeleton and the extracellular matrix. So next we have our channel protein, which is a type of integral protein, and that is this orange and pink right here.
So channel proteins facilitate the transport of specific ions and polar molecules across the cell membrane, and they provide a hydrophilic channel that allows these substances to bypass the lipid bilayer. Okay, so next is our protein pump, which is this blue part right here.
So the function of the protein pump is to perform active transport, moving ions across cell membranes against their concentration gradients. Integral to cellular activities enable cells to maintain their internal environment and perform essential functions. So the next structure is the peripheral protein, which is the green pom-poms right there.
So peripheral proteins, they support the membrane structure and facilitate communication between the cell and its environment. And they also are used to support and structure the cell signaling, enzymatic activity, and cell recognition. So next is the glycoprotein, which is this structure right here.
And the function of the glycoprotein is it's used for cell-to-cell recognition, signal transduction, structural support, and cell adhesion. So the glycoprotein is made out of a globular protein, which is the pink beads at the bottom, and a carbohydrate chain, which is the colorful beads at the top.
So the carbohydrate chain plays a crucial role in cell-to-cell recognition, helping cells distinguish between different types of neighboring cells, which is vital for processes like tissue and organ formation in embryos and immune system responses. So next up is the microfilaments, which are these pink strings on the bottom of the phospholipid bilayer.
And the microfilament's function is used to support the cell shape, cell motility, it helps surface area increase, and cytoplasmic streaming. So the next structure is the glycolipid, which is this right here with the beads.
So glycolipids play a crucial role in cell-to-cell recognition. They're bonded to carbohydrates, which serve as markers that help distinguish one cell from another, and this is vital for processes such as sorting cells into tissues and organs during embryonic development, and also for the immune system to identify and reject foreign cells. So next is the extracellular matrix, which is the entire region outside of the cell above the top of the phospholipid bilayer, right where these pom-poms are.
And then the function of the extracellular matrix is it's used for structural support, cell signaling, cell migration, and gene regulation. So the next is collagen, and collagen is a part of the extracellular matrix, and it is the straws.
So collagen provides structural integrity to tissues. It can transmit signals between the extracellular matrix and the cell's interior, and it also influences cell behavior and gene activity. Okay, so next is the fibronectin, which is this brown string right here that connects the collagen to the integral protein, which is the pom-poms right here that are yellow.
And the function of the fibronectin is it's used to connect the extracellular matrix to the integral proteins embedded in the plasma complex, and it allows signals to be transmitted between the cell's external environment and its interior. So the last structure is the proteoglycan complex, and it is the white pipe cleaners that wraps around the collagen.
So the proteoglycan complex provides structural support and maintains the integrity of the extracellular matrix, and it's also used for cell signaling, the regulation of the cell behavior, and barrier function.
And now we're going to show that our cell membrane is mobile.
This all moves around, these move around. The strings, these move, and then this part all moves.